Hi, Norbert here, energy engineer, and today explaining in video number 35a why to install yourself a LED strip in your home. Dark months are coming, so bring light in your house to keep your mood sunny. As an exception, today Saturday is the introduction video, and then Wednesday will be the details. So let's start with the reasons for LED strips and why you can better do it yourself. From the point of energy efficiency, you should have 30% of the light on some place from a general light and 70% from light on the place itself. The LED strip can however also function as a general light and even as a decorative element. It's incredibly flexible because you can purchase one long strip and cut it in pieces, which then all function on the same 24 volt DC. So you can install several pieces with different length in your home and switch them on independently, also with one single power supply or even a car battery, as you see here. Let's see now the application of the 12 volt battery. I took now the light one because it's just portable, and in combination with the 24 volt DC transformer we try the LED strip, which we know it's at 24 volt. So we took these connections from this DC supply and we put it on the 24 volt output of this transformer from 12 volt to 24 volt. And now we are measuring the current and we look if it's let's see what happens. A little spark, and we see nearly 3 ampere. Yeah, it's now 3 ampere, and that means with the 12 volt we are at 36 volt, which the battery is now delivering. By the way, I tried it also directly on the battery, but that doesn't work. For developing countries or also with blackouts in richer countries, that's very interesting and is also affordable. With one investment you have a lifetime of light. A big car battery of 100 ampere hours can go 15 hours with a 40 watt LED strip, and it will still be half full.
Why should I install this myself?
Well, you know that electricians are hard to find, and their cost of work can be equal to all materials together which you have to purchase. Moreover, the larger part of the installation is all low voltage. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. And come back on Wednesday for a detailed video, showing how I install exactly this strip and where you can find the materials. I wish you a good energy.